celebration of M&M's 75th anniversary, we have 3 great new peanut flavors. The flavors are chili, honey nut, and coffee. Vote for your favorite today.
So we're gonna try the chili nut now.
Oh.
So the chili nut was a little spicy. Now we're gonna try the honey nut.
Honey nut's delicious.
I like it. The third one, the coffee nut. Oh, good coffee and chocolate flavor. It's really good. Favorite is definitely the honey nut. What'd you like?
I love the chili nut. Nothing like a little spice in your life.
Trying to come up with things that are really unique to the market, and that doesn't happen overnight, as I'm sure you know. So it's a process. And
So we're with Nicole with Bazooka, and this is their prototype for their new Juicy Drop Gum, which is their new product for their Juicy Drop line. Can you just talk about it real quick?
Sure. So this is new Juicy Drop Gum. It's really awesome. It allows you to boost and extend the flavor of your gum. So you take a piece of gum out, and then you boost your gum with the flavor boosting gel.
That's awesome. And when is that coming out?
It's coming out in January of 2017.